Welcome again, and today is second day from operation. Yesterday we performed 4,000 graft, and we want to hear about process and something like that. What you want to say, you can say.
Okay. I think the process was pretty seamless. Coming into the office, everyone is very nice and helpful. You walked me through what I needed in terms of how many grafts, what your thoughts were. I was really concerned about the donor area, which you told me which would be good, so I was happy about that. So overall, it's been a good experience.
Thank you so much. And what do you think your design, hairline design?
Oh yeah, we walked through the design. I think it looks good. Shape to my face well. I don't think it's excessive. Just the right amount.
Yes, because of I really like it. Your line, because of you really change it.
Yeah.
Before than now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Of course.